got a VIP ride, empty. Woo! Lovely view if I go over that way. It's next to a pond. Tell it to my oh, stop at the top. Yeah, we're going the opposite way now. As you know, if you watch my channel, I do love Miami, so I do. This is the Miami credit I've got. I've already done it before in the Galactic, but I still like it, so I'm going to. Not the comfiest at the mall, because it's an over the shoulder restraint one. But lap bars are my favourite, but it's still a good Miami. It was once at M&D's, this Miami, but I never got a chance to ride it when it was there. That first ride, the really old one, the Thunderdome rib trickle, oh, it's amazing. I think I'll go on that again at the end of the night probably. Oh, it makes your belly go this way. But it's awesome that I've got a VIP ride. I'm the only one here. Like, only one on here. VIP. And since no one's queuing, it might get longer. Hey, back this way again. Whee! Whee! Closer crowd to get well on here as well. Oh my gosh, going another way, that's good. Another way again. Some good rides here. If you live near Rosyth, you should come down. Not a massive fare, but still a good one. It's still good to come down and support the small fares as well. You got a good view from the top of the pond over there. Yeah, it's the 4 coming up.